The unboxing experience is clean and minimalist, perfectly matching the philosophy of the PITAKA Ultra Slim Edge case. The packaging is understated and well organized, with the case presented as the main focus. Inside the box, everything is neatly arranged, with the case accompanied by the included documentation. The overall presentation feels premium and purposeful, without unnecessary packaging or visual clutter. My hands-on impression of the PITAKA Ultra Slim Edge case for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 is extremely positive. Its exceptionally lightweight, ultra-thin profile and rigid aramid fiber construction create a refined, almost weightless feel. The color-woven finish adds character while preserving PITAKA's minimalist design philosophy. Most importantly, the specifications translate directly into the physical experience. You can immediately see the slimness and feel the remarkable lightness. The design is minimalist and highly refined. Its slim profile, clean lines, and aramid fiber weave create a technical yet elegant appearance. The subtle color finish adds personality without becoming flashy, while the precise fit keeps the case visually integrated with the smartphone rather than making it look bulky. The Ultra Slim Edge case uses aerospace-grade aramid fiber, giving it an excellent combination of strength, lightness, and a distinctive technical appearance. The visible woven pattern adds depth and texture, while the elegant color finish provides character without compromising PITAKA's minimalist, premium aesthetic. This PITAKA Ultra Slim Edge case is an excellent choice for anyone who wants premium everyday protection without sacrificing the original feel of the smartphone. Its refined aramid fiber construction, minimalist design, and ultra-thin profile make it exceptionally discreet and elegant. It is not built for extreme protection, but for users who value lightness, precision, and style. PITAKA delivers a remarkably polished case.